Yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy Kwame here. Today, we're going to be doing the full workout with only 6 kilo dumbbells. So stay tuned and let's get pumping. Alright, we are back and with an arms workout today, and I want you guys to grab some dumbbells, very light dumbbells. Anyone can do this, beginner to advanced level. It is easy, and we're gonna do this together. We're gonna have minimal rest, and everything is gonna follow 10 reps. So grab some dumbbells, pause this if you haven't already, and follow along with me. So we're starting off with 10 reps each arm. Focus on that squeeze with each of these reps, okay? Now, if you've got dumbbells and you're doing this with me at this point, make sure you're really feeling it. And again, it's a nice little warm-up as well too. So you get a nice, good feel of the weights. Now, after that, we're moving on. Okay, next up, we're going to be using both hands at the same time. Now, I've got my blue lights today, so my lighting is going to be a little bit everywhere because I was only trying to set it up. Now, the reason why we're moving on to a double arm now is to increase that tension on the muscle. So this time, no arm is resting. We have both arms working at the exact same time, so it's already starting to burn. And this whole workout should take you under 9 minutes, okay? So very, very nice and simple, very easy to execute. Next up, I've just turned to the side so you guys can actually get a nice view as well. So it's something a little bit different as well. Pardon my lights again. It's going to be hidden different and it's going to be all over the place. I'm still trying to get used to these RGB lights, but I guarantee you I will get used to it, and I want to film some epic content for you guys. However, let's get this pumping. So we've got some hammer curls, and then again, like we go always from double arm to single arm. So now after that, we're going hammer curls across our body as well, hitting those different angles. That's gonna help us grow. Now, this is very lightweight, but I guarantee you that your biceps are gonna be swole. You're gonna feel an epic pump from this workout. So I want you guys to join me. 6 kilo dumbbells, no excuses, guys. You can even grab something around your house that's about 6 kilos, a pair of something that's that's about 6 kilos, or even a little bit more if you don't know, but something about the same weight, okay? And join me with this workout. It doesn't have to be 6 kilos, it can be even lighter. And for me, that can actually lift 50 kilos or 60 kilos and kill that. I could feel the burn on that. So even if you had a 2-3 kilo dumbbell, I guarantee you that you will feel this. So try it out. Let me know in the comments below. Now, I love this. This is some slow eccentric work. So I'm going a little bit faster on the concentric phase of the movement, and then on the eccentric, which is the negative palm, slowing down and increasing that tension. You guys can actually look carefully and you can actually see my biceps is really taking all that tension. Okay, I'm coming down nice and controlled, and you can really feel that muscle really tear up. And that's what our eccentric part of the movement, or negative part of the movement, that's where you get most of your muscle tears. So us slowing down the movement is basically increasing that tension we're putting on the muscle. It's a great way to grow. In fact, I actually put it as number one when it comes to tips for building your biceps. So next up, we're doing some pulse reps. So now what we're basically doing with the pulse reps is we're just increasing the tension at the peak of the movement. I love this movement as well too. It's a great little burner. Now let me give you guys a tip for any sort of movement when you're doing pulse. Try to keep it controlled during the actual pulse reps, and this is a game changer. It doesn't matter what exercise you're doing. If you go too fast with the pulse, you might actually lose the tension on your muscle. So whenever you're trying to do any sort of pulse reps, keep the pulse controlled. And you guys, I guarantee you, it's going to be a massive game changer. You guys are going to be like, wow, that's what pulse reps actually do. And that's what I'm here for, guys. I want to help you guys be the best version of yourselves. Using lighter weights, using bigger weights, being beginner, intermediate, advanced, it doesn't matter. My channel is for you guys to be the best version of yourself, to find whichever single way possible that you guys can actually utilize your greatest potential. Okay, and that's why I'm bringing to you guys completely different content. I'm also showing you guys how I train too, because at the end of the day, everyone is different, and I understand that, okay? And I want you guys to be able to pick and choose what works well for you. I can't customize it to everyone. That's what I do with my clients. I actually customize their work, but I can't customize it to every single person on my channel. So I want to put out as many options. However, to help me help you, drop in the comments what you guys want to see more of as well too, so I can also make some more custom content for you guys. Because again, like I said, I am here to help you guys out as much as possible. Okay, like I said, this looks so simple, but damn, it was a massive burn. I could really feel this. My arms are starting to pump up. I could really feel the pump. In fact, while recording this voiceover, my arms are still pumped from this workout. So this is a guaranteed pump. Okay, this workout will give you a pump for sure. Okay, if you do this workout and you don't get a pump, comment below and let me know, because I know 100% that this is going to give you a pump. If you get a pump still, comment below and let me know. Okay, I appreciate you guys so much for this. Now we're going back again to those side kills, and like even now, like I start to feel that burn that I almost kind of stopped for a second. Like I said, this workout is intense, man. Like, it's lightweight, but doesn't necessarily mean that lightweight means you're soft. You can use lightweight if you use it smartly to grow your muscle. And these are the things when you guys are limited. Look, you're not always going to be perfect with so many lockdowns and so much happening in the world right now. You're not always going to have access to your 60 kilo dumbbells at the gym, which I doubt most of us can carry anyway. So it is essential to know how to train like this. Now, what other ways can this be beneficial to you? Okay, now it's not just train at home. Imagine you go somewhere, you're traveling, okay, and you're in a hotel and you're like, look, I need a bicep pump. I want to work my arms. I want to feel good, because we train to feel good, right? Okay, you can literally do this workout. Grab two things, grab your suitcase, grab something which weighs nice and light. Even like, a 2 liter bottle of water, that's essentially 2 kilos. And do this with these, like, maybe grab 2 liter bottles of water, like things like that, guys. You can actually do this anywhere. So this is why I'm bringing to you guys this workout. But I also want you guys to be as innovative as possible as well. So I want you to utilize these things in your own way. At the end of the day, what we want to do is create an environment where everyone is actively living, and it doesn't have to be bodybuilding, but we want to promote staying active, staying fitter, because it is great for your health. We're here to promote health. So this is it. And like I said, like nothing is self-made. No one is self-made. So we're a community. Posting in the comments below even your opinions, guys. We want to hear. I know I've been on my live streams now. I've been going pretty well, and you guys have. I remember one guy, Peter. Shout out to Peter if you're in the comments or you're watching this video. You made some really good points yesterday, actually, in my live stream, which was amazing. And I actually like highlighted those points and showed how beneficial they can be, and also highlighted the positives and negatives of the same points as well too, in my opinion. And it's, I think, being able to just openly discuss stuff. So leave this out to an open discussion. Drop some comments below and let's make this happen. All right, guys, I just want to say a big thank you for joining my video, and I hope you guys are keeping up to date daily, and thanks for watching this all the way to the end. And I appreciate you guys, and I'm gonna start leaving some little prizes at the end of my videos soon, so stay tuned and let's get this pumping. Your boy is signing out. Turn on post notification, hit that like button, comment, support. I appreciate you. Much love and respect. Peace.